everyone. This is Shant Verma from Cambridge International School, Dasuma. So, guys, we have started a chapter retirement of partner, and in this chapter, we have completed, many of topics like how to calculate new ratio, how to calculate gaining ratio, then goodwill adjustment we have did. Then we gone through about accumulated profits, reserves, and losses. Then after that, we have studied the how to prepare evaluation account. And in that video I also gave you some type of journal entry, how to purge journal entries, and try to give a maximum transaction which affect the revaluation and partners capital. So guys, this is a next video, and in this we prepare the partners capital and balance sheet. Means in this we uh, came to know how to solve a proper question. So first we will prepare the revaluation account, which we have studied already. Second, we will prepare the partner's capital account or current account. If question capital is fixed, then we will prepare the current account and the capital account. And third one is the last with revised balance sheet. And this is the last step. Means all step depend on each other. If the revaluation account goes wrong, then partner's capital goes wrong, and then the revised balance sheet will not match. And I hope so you will lose marks in your examination. So please understand carefully all of these things. So process to prepare the partner's capital account. First, take the capital balances from the balance sheet. Means whenever you are preparing the partner's capital account, you have to choose, you have to take the partner's capital balances from the balance sheet, which is given in the old balance sheet. Second, we will take a revaluation profits and losses. We have already prepared the revaluation account. If profit is come, then show the credit side of partner's capital account. If losses arise, then debit side of partner's capital account. Third, prepare the take the balance sheet and choose from profit and loss, advertisement, suspense, goodwill if given on the asset side of balance sheet. If on the asset side, profit and loss, advertisement, suspense, and goodwill is given, these all three are losses. I already give you, and you also already know in the admission of partner chapter, should be show on the as debit side of partner's capital account. Then see the balance sheet liability side. Here all the reserves and profits given. If any reserves and profits given, then distribute among the old partner old ratio on the credit side of partner's capital account. Then goodwill adjusting entry means whenever partner bring the goodwill, then whenever partner retire, we will pass a journal entries like gaining partner's capital account to sacrifice retiring partner. So we will post this entry to the partner's capital account on the both side, because gaining partner debited so should affect the debit side of partner's capital, and retiring partner credited, so retiring partner's capital should be affected on the credit side. So after that, transfer the balance to the retiring partners to the lot account. So these are the 6 steps we have to follow. First, capital balances from balance sheet. Second, revaluation profits and losses. Third, balance sheet asset side. Here we will see a 3 items: profit and loss, advertisement, suspense, and goodwill. These 3 items should be, if given, then put on the debit side of part. If not given, there no such treatment is required. Balance sheet lives have all the reserves and profits shown the credit side of partner's capital. Then goodwill adjusting entry. We already have a proper lecture on this. And transfer the balance of retiring partner. This is very important. If partner retire, we will not pay until unless question specify. We will transfer the whole balance of the retiring partner to the loan account. So then goodwill. This is a wrong entry. So partners capital accounts look like this. First, capital balances. Second, valuation profits or losses. This is the balance sheet asset side item. If appear on that, then we will transfer the debit side of partners capital. Then reserves and profits transfer to the credit side. Then goodwill adjusting entry, gaining partner to sacrificing partner, and then we will transfer the balance of the retired partner to the loan account. So I give a just brief on a overview of the partner's capital account. So first, that is from the balance sheet liability side. Second, valuation debit side means the profit we have shown on the revaluation debit side will transfer to the partner's capital account. So these are the balance sheet liability side item, these are the balance sheet asset side item. So let us solve, first one illustration so that you can understand well how to solve the questions. So I have taken a one illustration. So let's see how to solve. Hello everyone, this is Shant Verma from Cambridge International School, Daswa. So, we have completed how to prepare the evaluation account, and we came to know also how to pass the journal entries of every transactions. So after that, we, gone through how to prepare the partner's capital account and balance sheet. And, I'm just giving you about the whole description through an example. So I have taken illustration number 25, T.S. Grewal, page number 6.23, according to latest edition. So guys, open your book so that we can able to understand how to solve a question. And I already give you about the procedure. Point number one, firstly capital, second evaluation, profits, third balance sheet asset side, then balance sheet liability, then we will pass adjusting entry of the goodwill, and then total up the and transfer the retiring partner balance to the loan account. So firstly we will read about the illustration number 25. ABC are partner in a business sharing profit and losses in 3:2:1, and the balance sheet as a 31st March 2020. This is the illustration. So let's see. And this is a cash in hand, cash at bank, and debtors, stock in hand, machinery building. There's an assets, and here's a sundry creditor, journal reserve, and capital accounts, and these are capital balances. C retire from the business on the 1st April 2020, and it was agreed that the amount due to him will be paid on 30th June 2021. Means next year 2021 his amount will be paid off. It was also agreed to adjust the value of assets as follows, and these are the adjustment of related to revaluation. Firstly we will read question. Provide for doubtful debts at the rate 5% on data. This is loss. We have already discussed in the revaluation topic. Reduce stock by 5%, machinery by 10%. This is also loss. Building be revaluate 1,51,000. That is a market value 1,51,000, and here's a 1,40,000. 11,000 profit. Goodwill is given of firm 1,50,000. Total firm goodwill is given. We will firstly calculate his share and pass the adjusting entry. AB will continue to carry a business and shall be share the profit and loss equally. This is a new ratio. 1:1 is given. I pass the journal entry, prepare the revaluation, partners capital, seize loan, and the balance sheet. So let's see how to solve the question. I have drafted this format already. This is a revaluation, this is journal format, and after that partners capital and balance sheet. I will teach you how to prepare the accounts as well as how to pass the entries in this question. So please see carefully illustration number 25, T.S. Grewal, page number 6.3. So first transaction, provide for doubtful debt 5% on debt. So it is a loss. So to provision for doubtful debts, that is 5%, 90,000, 95, that is 4,500. Then reduce the stock to stock, that is 5%. Stock 70,000, 5%, that is 3,500. Then machinery to machinery 5%, that is 6,000. Building is revalued 1,51,000, and in the balance sheet is given 140. So appreciation by 11,000 by building, that is 11,000. And after that goodwill is given and the new ratio is given. So this is the revaluation. This is a debit side of revaluation, this is credit side of revaluation, this is loss side, this is profit side. So we can easily can see there's a loss we have, means expenditure side is more. So firstly we will total up, and when we total, so his total will come out 14,000 here and 14,000 here, divided between. Please clearly keep in mind, whole the question will be solved within the old partner within a old ratio. So what we will do, we will transfer the by loss, transfer to partners capital account. So we will write here partner name is A, B, C, and we will less this 11,000 commits 3,000, and old ratio given is 3:2:1, that is 1,500, 1,000 and 500. This is you have prepare also in admission of partner chapter, so about how to prepare the revaluation accounts. So
how to pass the entries. Firstly we have prepared the revaluation side by side. I am just solving the journal entry. So here write the journal serial number, or you can write the date also if the question is given, then particulars, then LF, then debit, and then credit. So first entry we will pass revaluation account debit to provision for doubtful debt to stock and to machinery. So revaluation account debit, I already give a whole complete explanation in the revaluation topic, revaluation video lecture. So to provision for doubtful debts to stock to machinery. So we will write here 4500, 3500 and 6000, and total will come 14,000. You will write the narration here, then pass just total, put a line. The next entry will be come from this profit side, building account debit. Buy means debit, building account debit to revaluation account. So 11,000 we will write here, and then put a line. And this is the next entry. This is a loss, and if we give the loss to the partners, then capital account will be reduced and will be debited. A is capital account debit, B is capital account debit, C is capital account debit to revaluation, and that is 1500, 1000 and 500. A total is 3000. So now we have completed the first step, how to prepare the revaluation. We have put the adjustment in the proper side of the revaluation, then by side we have pass the entries. Now after that we will prepare the partners capital account. So see how to. So this is the format of partners capital. I already have prepared this. So before prepare the partners capital account, just do all the working notes. Working notes means goodwill adjusting entry and the gaining ratio. So firstly we have to calculate the gaining ratio. A, calculate gaining ratio, and formula is new ratio minus old ratio. It is, we have already discussed a lot of about that. So A and B, because C is retire, new ratio minus old ratio, 1 by 2 minus 3 by 6. New ratio is given 1 ratio 1, 1 by 2 minus 2 by 6. If we will take a LCM, 6, that is 3 minus 3, that is 0, and we will 3 minus 2, that is 1 by 6 is equal to gain. So in this V means has gain, and A will gain nothing, that is 0. So we know that those who partners sacrifice means retiring partner is should be credited, C's capital account should be credited, and those who gain should be debited, means B's capital account should be debited. So this is the adjusting entry, and total goodwill is given in the question. Goodwill is given is 1,50,000. And firstly I already told you in the previous lecture, firstly calculate the shares of retiring partner, that is 1 by 6, that is 25. So 25 here, and only B has gained, that is 25 here. So this is the working note we have to pass first this. Now how to prepare the partners capital account, take step by step process. First, capital balance, buy balance brought down. This is given in the balance sheet of the questions, that is 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh and 1 lakh, and give the name here, that is A B C and A B C. capital balance. Second, revaluation profits or losses. Profit will come here, that is profit side, plus side, and loss will come here, that is debit side and minus side. So we have calculated the loss, so we will put here to revaluation account, and the loss is 1500, 1000 and 500. Step by step, guys, please follow step by steps. First, calculate capital balance. Second, revaluation profit. Third, balance sheet asset side, and just check, is there any means goodwill, profit and loss, or advertisement suspend. There is no profit and loss, there is no goodwill, and there is no advertisement suspend the asset side. See the liability side, fourth step, and there is a general reserve 60,000. We will put the general reserve here by general reserve in old ratio. Remember, whole the question will be solved between the old partner old ratio 30, 20 and 10, 30,000, 20,000 and 10,000. So first process, capital balance. Second process, revaluation. Third, balance sheet asset side. Fourth, balance sheet liability. Fifth, we will pass the adjusting entry into the ledger. So C's capital account credit. This is a credit of C, and we will put here by B's capital, that is 25,000. And side by side, B capital account debited, B is debited to C. You have already know this posting in the admission and the 11th ledger chapter. To C's capital, that is 25,000. So we have complete all the process. Then after that we will total up, and this is total is 1,30,000. This total is 1,20,000, and this total is 1,35,000. We will write all these things here also same way, and then calculate first two balance carried down of A. It is 1,30,000 minus 1,500, 1,28,500. 1,20,000 minus, that is 26,194, and C is 1,34,500, but in retirement. Remember guys, when the partner retire, his balance transfer to his loan account, C's loan account. Clearly understand this, that is C's loan account. This should be clear. When the partner retire, transfer to loan, and here is a gain, no gain, so we will not do anything here. So we have prepared the revaluation, partners capital, and after that we will prepare the balance sheet. So firstly there is a entry, journal entries. So see how to give the journal entries. There is only one journal entry, that is general reserve, and this one. So we will write the journal entries here of general reserve. General reserve account debit to A's capital, to B's capital, to C's capital, that is 30, 20 and 10. Total is 60. This is the journal entry. And next, the goodwill adjustment, B's capital account, debit to C's capital, that is 25,000. So only from the revaluation and the partners capital we can pass those journal entries. From the revaluation, debit side item, credit side item, and the profit and loss, 3 entry will be come out from the revaluation. And from the partners capital, balance sheet asset side losses journal entry, balance sheet liability side reserves or profit journal entry, and the goodwill. These entry only will be passed in the this chapter, retirement. So after that we will put the balance sheet on as on 1st April 2020, and this balance sheet is prepared by keep in mind the whole old balance sheet. Pick up the item from the old balance sheet. If there is a change, then if decrease, then minus, if increase, then plus, and write the modified term here. So in the old balance sheet, cash in hand is given 6,000. There is a no cash transaction in our question, so it will be come as it is 6,000. Cash at bank, this will come as it is. There's no cash or banking transaction. Sundry debtors. So we know we have created a provision on that. So less provision for doubtful debts, that is our, we have calculated 4500, so we will less, that is 85,500. Stock, that is 70,000, we have decreased by 3500, that is 66,500. Then machinery 60, it decreased by 6,000. You can see the revaluation also 54. And building, that is increased by 11,000, 1,51,000. Here is sundry creditor, that is 16. There's a no change on that. General reserve we have distributed, we will not write here. And that is, seize loan, we have transferred the amount seize loan 1,34,500. And write the capital balances of A and B, that is 1,28,500 and 94,000. This is come from the partners capital account, and the total is 3,73,000 both side. If balance sheet match, then you are correct. If balance sheet not match, you are wrong. You have committed any mistake anywhere else. So again, I'm just giving you firstly prepare the revaluation account. From here we will get 3 journal entries. Then partners capital account, from where we will get a 3 journal entry. That journal entries, balance sheet asset side losses, balance sheet liability side profits and goodwill. And then third step, that is balance sheet, new balance sheet. So this is the process how to solve the question, guys. Okay, goodbye. If you have any problem, then contact me. Bye bye.